thank you for your commitment to this group and to the boys and girls that are here and the ones that didn't come this weekend. And in spite of some of the things we may have talked about today, I'm still very proud of you guys for what you put into this weekend and what you continue to put in. And so second place was certainly well deserved this weekend. All right. I'm just going to go through so we can speed this up and I'll just hand them around and do
Me? I can't even reach you.
Oh, hold on, you were out of position.
Here, look at me.
Happened all day.
I know you don't want to. Oh, yeah, like Judy.
Look at Henry, he had a lot. Yeah, not just one, like. No, I had one. I had one at the, I had one at the soccer game. I had like 5.
You have one on each table.
Hey, dude, Eckler, you're so good. Eckler.
Alright, I'm gonna jump and you guys gotta carry me, right?
Stop.
3. Oh my god, Bill! I'm not doing anything, that's Ben!
Hey, we should jump at the same time.
Ben, I swear to come on.
3, 2, 1, go. Wow.
No, wow, that was terrible. Okay, ours are off.
Yeah, no way. All right, guys.
Okay.
Same thing as last time. 3 in the back and some down the. Oh, we gotta hold the sign. So. Y'all get square. Hey, chill. I'm in front. I'm short. I don't keep in the middle here.
I'll take that corner.
Call me. Oh, come on. Wow.
Get on the ground.
Keep it straight.
Anthony.
No, I just don't care anymore.
That's good, boys.
Oh my gosh, we're like the worst.
I know.
Okay, who's gonna take a picture with my phone?
Stop.
All right, Little Rapids, get in here with us. Get in here.
Okay, not in front of the
Bill, let's go. Come on. Play down. Come on. You guys got to practice this. Zeke.
on your knees.
Marvin, get in. Carlos, get in. Zeke, get in here.
Right here. No, you don't get over there. Oh my God.
Doesn't have a dress.
Keep going, boys.
Good job, guys.
Good job.